Hello guys, I'm going to do a video of Pet Simulator Z. Again, I'm back. And there's this awesome update where you can hatch so many of these crap pets that I don't know why I hatch. A lot of these dumb scarecrow pets. Yeah, they're pretty good. You want to go over here if you want to go to awesome event. They're pretty good pets, but they cost gems. But I only have 80,000. I waste them all. These are the most crappiest eggs. You want to go over here. And oh my. Oh, snap. Oh my. Dude, you so much huge. This is a 10 times percent chance to get a huge. Dude, this guy has so much huges. I'm gonna trade. I'd say he has trade disabled. Yep. Alright, he has so much huges. Wow. That's the most huges I ever saw, except for the G. He's like probably about say like 500. He's so much. You wanna go check it out his channel. He has a very good channel. He has very good episodes. Yeah. He used to do so much Pet Simulator X games, but now he just likes to do other random games, which is fine with me. But I like doing Pet Simulator X because it's a fun game, and now since it's always updating, I just love it. So that's why I love hatching. I love trying to get to this world. It takes me like years and years and years, but I always try. You always gotta keep doing it, guys. You always can believe in yourself. Anyone can do it if they think hard. Right, so let's get this, and it's not gonna do anything. I only have 7 billion. Yeah, that's not gonna do much at all. Right, so let's go over. Ooh, hey, you knocked me out of my way. All right, my friend's here again. I'm doing a vid. Alright, so I'm just saying that I'm doing a vid. Alright, let's hatch this. What do I get? I'm so curious. Overbird. That's not bad. Alright, so let's see what this thing is stupid. I got this from a random guy. He needed pets, so I gave him some pets. And I do like the monkey. You can get so much of these at spawn. They're pretty good. They're hard to get. I do have a lot of these hedgehogs. A lot of them. So I don't know what I'll do in this video, but I think I might just do Pet Simulator X because it's a good game. I think it's X. I don't know why it glitches like that. It's weird. I really want to get here. I don't have enough though. I need 65 billion. And thanks for the video that I did a while ago. Pet Simulator X again. Done that. And you guys really liked it. You smashed the like button so much, which made me very happy. And I got 250 views, which is pretty good. 13 likes. That's a good video. If you guys like and subscribe like that one, could help me out. And it does. Alright, so let's go to my pet index. And oh, my thing is glitching. Alright. Oh, it's glitching. It's so laggy. Oh. I have all of the hell rocks, except for the big, huge. Wait. I don't have the dark matter. Well, I still have that waiting for me in Dark Tech, so I'm gonna go over there right now. So let's go back. Over here and grab my pets. Have these two cheese guys. Look at that guy. 155 trillion. That's a lot. He's so close to one of these pixel demons. He's so close. Wow. Wait, what if it's this and I make them all into rainbow or dark matter? It could be even better than this. I know that if you hack a lot of what's it called, helicopter cats and make it to dark matter, it goes to 692 trillion, I think, and that's a lot. These are my best pets. Yeah, they're pretty good. But I'm impressed that this is 155 trillion. That's just crazy. And while I'm at it, I better over here and make this guy. And I think I might have enough for this guy. Yes, I do. I'm not gonna make it that guy, I'm gonna make it this guy. Alright, so I have those pets waiting, and let's check out the Hell Rock. Ooh. Oh, wow. I can't see his face. Where's his face? Oh. That's so weird. What are you? Who are you? Ayo, bro. Bro, what? Why are you so... Santa? Oh. What the hell is that? Oh, there's a hiding spot here if you want it. You can jump in here. It's a pretty good hiding spot. It's hard to get out. I think I'm strapped. Oh, wait, never mind. Yeah, okay. I think I might. Oh, never mind. Oh, and guys, yeah. Oh, they got rid of it. They got rid of Lord Nathan. They got rid of Lord Nathan. Why did they get rid of such a beautiful Lord Nathan? I don't know why they got rid of it. Oh, and I'm gone. Now I gotta rejump. Typical. Alright, let's go down here and join Pet Simulator. Again. Well, I got rid of Lord Nathan. I don't know why. That just makes me disappointed. Or maybe was that on a different thing? I'm pretty sure it was on that thing. Let's go check all of the other ones. I know there's one in mine first, and yeah. Alright, so let's go to mine. It's not there. What about forest? Oh, no, wait, it's not forest. No, it couldn't be these. Alright, let's go over. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah. Well, that's crazy. And let's go over. If you come down below, what color was this house? I forgot what this color of this house was. I completely forgot. I think it was blue. Anyways, leave a comment down below what it is. I'm not that smart. Alright, let's go over here and just see if this thing works. I don't think it does. Knock. I don't think this works. Yeah, it doesn't work. I don't know why I climb these buildings. It's fun. Not when you die. So, update is in 1 day. I can't wait for it. Let's just that pet dark matter. The big King Boo. King Boo. King Boo. King Boo. Boo Boo Boo. Yeah! What the hell? You have the weirdest face and the weirdest guy on your head. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? I'll hatch noob first try. Oh, yeah, the pig. I'll hatch the noob. Second try. Second is the best. Nope, I got mixed up. It's third. Where? I do have my luck boots on. I should have gotten it. Wait, I think I actually do have them in my inventory. Or I must have just deleted it. Cows. I'm gonna go over here. What was... What? What? That was a weird thing. Alright, I want to hatch that pet. 6.9%. Oh. No. I want to get that pet. I don't want to get the best one. I want to get... Oh. Ugh. Please. No, I stop hatching these pets. I want to hatch this pet. Alright, let's go over here. Everyone's saying that it's in this egg, but never mind what I said. I don't know what I said. I lost my words. Maybe next video I'll try and do Pet Simulator X, but I can only use dogs. Wouldn't that be exciting? Only dogs. Like, I mean, that pet. Those two pets. That's gonna be a tricky one, guys. I can subscribe for that. It would help me out a lot. So guys, I'll see you in the next video of what I just said. I don't know why. I just keep saying that. Alright guys, see you in the next video. Goodbye.